Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good dumpling, chicken dumplings. Very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing we want to do, we're going to put this right here like it is inside of the pot, and we're going to boil this. Okay, this is the pot we're going to put it in. Let it soak in there. We're going to put this on the boiler on low heat. Pepper it down quite a bit, like pepper. Okay. Come back a little bit. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to add in 1 can of carrots, and then I'm going to add in 1 can of peas, green peas. We'll give us a good stir. Okay, next we're going to put a little bit of garlic mist in here, just a ½ teaspoon, and then we want to put some Parsley Flakes in here. We're going to mix this well together. Okay, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of flour, kind of give this a good thicken. Okay, I want to put some complete seasoning in here. This stuff's very good. Gives it extra flavor to it. Okay, this is what I'm going to use for my dough. I'm going to break this up. Okay, what we're going to do is going to break these up. They're going to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more of this in there to help with the flavor. That's just to help boost the flavor a little bit. Okay, we're going to stir this in here, then we're going to let this set for a little bit, let this cook. Okay, I'm going to do a taste test on this. Look at these chicken dumplings. Look how big that is. Look at the size of these things. I mean, these are just... Okay, let's do a taste test on this. Let me get me a dumpling. Okay, look at that. Oh, hot. That is so good. That is so good. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos, and y'all have a wonderful day.